Welcome to Neelam Co, and this is Neelam. Today I bring you a recipe for healthy post-dinner drink, turmeric hemp oil milk. If you have your dinner around 6 or 7, you can have this drink around 8 or 9. So let's start. The first ingredient in turmeric hemp oil milk is the turmeric. Turmeric is a medicinal spice in Ayurveda, and it's really good for your body. Turmeric may help you in reducing pain and inflammation in the body. The next thing we need is hemp oil. If you don't have hemp oil, you can use cow's Desi Ghee. Both these oils are great source of omega-3. The next thing we need is 1 cup of milk. You can use either regular milk or you can substitute it for almond milk or any other milk you like. Lastly, we need is sugar to sweeten the milk. I use brown sugar because it's more natural and less processed, but if you want, you can use any other sugar. So let's start the process. The first step is to boil the milk. And when the milk is little warm, then I will add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Milk is warm, so I will add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric in it and wait until it boils. I stirred the turmeric in the milk and now I wait until it's boiling. It's almost at the boiling point. Milk is boiling, so I am going to turn off the stove. So I will pour the milk in a cup. To sweeten the milk, I will add 1 spoon of brown sugar. The next thing to add is hemp oil. So I am going to add 1 spoon of hemp oil and then stir it really well. I am stirring the milk until the brown sugar is dissolved. Another way to make turmeric hemp oil milk is to add cow's ghee. So I am adding maybe half teaspoon and then stir it really well until it won't dissolve. Still you can see it, but let it liquidify in the milk. And here I added half teaspoon of cow's ghee. Turmeric hemp oil milk is ready now. The oil does not dissolve, it stays on the top, but it's good to drink now. Today we made turmeric hemp oil milk. I hope you like it. See you next time with my another video. Thank you for watching.